Hi there, hope you're doing well. So this is the the file that I'm kind of planning to give you. I'll just quickly go over the information that I have, and then we can quickly go ahead. So to start with, you can see that this is the first thing I think I kept almost all the formulas in there, but just before you use the file, try using like say rechecking the information. Almost every other information that I was thinking to add and everything is all here. So the first thing, as I saw, is like the insurance part of it, the life part of it. So I've added that here, and so yeah, so this gives you like a high level information on some of the charts that I have, and then pretty much the illustration is here. In terms of this, I see that you have a TPD insurance, and we have say cost. So this one is actually coming from the first sheet, and then I'm actually showing the difference in this particular chart. Let me know if that is okay, if that's what is intended, if it is supposed to be a positive or a negative of it. And I've shown you what is the green aspect of that, and then this one shows you that the need for requirements. So all the other things pretty straightforward. So I didn't want to put any charts other than that. So want to keep it very professional, pretty much. And in here, the style remain the same. All the other things I have used in here. So let me know if this is okay. And here, if there are any changes or anything that you wanted to add, please let me know. But if you think it is not up to your standards or whatever you thought that it would be, I understand if you don't want to proceed. But if you're proceeding, please don't cancel it because it's too much of impact that I have. But having said that, I'm happy to work with you if there are any queries or two that you may have. So if there are any changes, let me know. I'll amend it and then probably send you what to say, an order for your considerations. It's pretty much right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.